Hi, I'm Lexi, and my hair is short and done.
We'll start with the ponytail. Use some water to start. No hairspray yet. Or gel. Hairspray. To one side at a time, and then go through with a comb.
What?
That shows a
This about.
make sure the height for the mid bun, this is called the middle bun or mid bun, the height of the ponytail is above the ear. Above the ear. Here. The middle of the head. It will be helpful to everyone to have the same father that's little elastic. Same father elastic as you can. Hairpin, it's here for you to use the open hairpins, so it's more secure, not the froze piece. Froze pins is good for head pieces, headdresses. Once we go through the bun, we're gonna go up. I know. Twist the hair, but not too tight. Twist the hair, and then as you twist, you go wrap it around and press on it. Now, do not twist it so tight and then wrap it, because it will be so bulky. We don't want that one. We don't want the bulky one. So what you have to do is twist and then start wrapping it out. Wrap. And then as you pin it, go up, flat, pin it down, and then under. Right there. Don't insert it. This is the wrong way. Don't insert it, because as they dance, the bun will fall down. Now, keep twisting, and you're going to go up and then under. Up, and under. Make sure you keep it flat. See golden? Around it. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. It's winding up this way. We do need a hairnet to put it around. So you're gonna go the same way as you put the bun. Around, so you catch the flyaways and then twist it over and then twist, and then
Wait, there.
and then any excess, you tuck it under. And then secure it with more hairpins. Over. And like that. And then here's our finished product. Mid bun,
Action.
mid bun. So that's where you find it.
My hair is done and I'm ready to dance. Hi, my name is Soraya, and I have really long hair.
A detangle of water is helpful to start your bunning. Another option to start with is a gel. Gotta do that great. Ponytail, and then your first back. Do half of your hair to smoothen out and to make it nice and sleek. Well, go on again. Since Soraya has long hair, we're gonna do it in two parts. Brush the hair. Make sure there's no angles. Part it into a hammer. Good. Twist as you go around, but don't keep twisting. Don't do a tight twist. Grip, press it down, straight back, and then you're gonna go under the bun, up and open, under the twist. Straight, and then you go under the twist to secure that. See? Since Soraya's hair is long, that helps to make the bun flat. Is you are not going to complete the first twist of the bun. You're going to start the second twist of the bun, twist it down, and start. Do the same thing as you go around. Twist around and hold that twist. Now put the second twist on the top of the first twist. Then, once you get to this part, you join it in. Join it to twist. This is good. Good with that hairnet down. Line down, twist over, and then any excess. If I twist it, this will not go. One more, but you're gonna go hide it underneath, and then secure again with more hairpins. Since you have some space, bringing it down,
Automatic.
we can go. You get her gel, moving out over her gel. And let's secure it with a close hairpins, which this is good for those tiny hairs at the back. Okay, hard. And then less wispies, and then secure the hair. Last step, hairspray to take out the wispies.
Okay.
The beautiful smile.
Now my hair's done. I'm gonna go take my class now. Thanks for watching.